कट! ए बॉन्ड की औलादो, रॉकी बजाओ रॉकी!
Hello friends, welcome to It's Saturday.
with PK and Bane.
और आज हम रिव्यू कर रहे हैं
Rocky Handsome. Rocky Handsome is a movie based on drug mafia. Again, it has been shot in Goa. I think Nishikant Kaman just loves Goa.
Yeah, his last film Drishyam was shot in Goa as well.
Yep.
And I think he is contributing to 20% of Goa's tourism with his movies.
Totally. And it's a very dark concept. बहुत ही dark film है. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ इमोशनल सीक्वेंस अच्छे हैं. एक्शन सीन्स, few scenes are really good. लेकिन story lineup it's very flat. Nishikant Kaman himself is acting in this movie as well. And it's a very non-linear script, you know. It's going in the flashback, again coming to the present, again going in a flashback. I think इतना ज़्यादा non-linear script रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, because somehow as an audience I get confused at what's going on. So if it would be a simple story, simple script, and it would be more better for me to understand.
Yeah,
you know?
so this movie basically revolves around John Abraham's character. He's a special agent and
Yeah.
how he saves a girl from drug mafia. अब बात करते हैं एक्टिंग की एंड we'll
Yep.
start with John Abraham's character.
Yep.
वो उनकी एक्टिंग के लिए नहीं जाने जाते थे, लेकिन फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 मूवीज ही हैज ग्रोन अप एज एन एक्टर. इनकी एक्टिंग स्किल्स इस मूवी में काफ़ी अच्छी है, लेकिन इनके एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस
It's
अमेजिंग.
just amazing, and he has done a lot of work in his body as well. He's just looking stunning. And now, if you talk about Shruti Hassan,
Well, she is not there in the movie.
Yeah,
just for one song.
yeah, she's really looking hot in that particular song. But apart from that, she's
she
nowhere
is
in the
completely
movie.
wasted.
Yeah.
एंड बात करते हैं निशिकांत कामत की, जिन्होंने ये मूवी भी डायरेक्ट की है, इज आल्सो एक्टिंग.
Yeah, उनकी स्क्रीन स्पेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, and he has done decent job as an actor in this movie.
एंड हिज बॉल्ड अवतार इज वेरी गुड.
Yeah, and now if you talk about Sharad Khelkar, he is playing a role of cop in this movie, and he is having a decent role in this movie, and he has done decent job as well.
एंड अब बात करते हैं द लिटिल गर्ल दिया.
She is looking too cute in this movie, लेकिन somehow like you know उनकी एज से ज़्यादा mature dialogues उनको दिए गए हैं.
वेरी मैच्योर डायलॉग.
But still, she is looking cute and she has done a decent job. So let's start with music now. I think background score is really nice and couple of songs are really shot beautifully.
Especially the Bombay Viking song that has been recreated is amazing.
Yeah, and if we talk about cinematography now, it's a dark concept, so of course cinematographer have to give dark look, and I think he somehow succeed to give that particular look. और कुछ scenes ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे आपको goosebumps आ जाएंगे. So it has been shot really nice by cinematographer.
And बात करते हैं डायरेक्शन की. It is directed by Nishikant Kamath and he is also acting in this movie.
Yeah.
दृश्यम के बाद उनसे एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत बढ़ जाती है.
Yeah, but somehow I think in this movie he has given more importance to his acting rather than directing, you know. So somehow screenplay, storyline बहुत ही flat लग रहा
He
है.
completely fails to deliver in this movie. Okay, so overall Rocky Handsome की बात करें, it's a very dark film in this colorful festival.
Yeah, so if you like dark concept, dark kind of script, then you can go and watch it for once, but otherwise it's fine, you can miss it.
Yeah, and बात करते हैं stars की, we give 2 stars to Rocky Handsome.
Yeah, and yeah, that's it from PK and Bunny today, guys. See you next week with Ian Ka, and wish you a very happy holiday.
तेरी तो हमेशा याद सतावे I don't know what you're saying